Good day, everyone. We are here on Royal Caribbean Mariner of the Seas. We're doing a room tour of Junior Suite 9238. It's on the starboard side, up towards the front, and it's almost near the bridge. So stepping on in, it is your standard Junior Suite. Let's check it out. First thing on your left is a nice walk-in closet. Plenty of shelves, hanging closets, space. If you need extra hangers, you just ask your stateroom attendant. They have plastic ones. They will bring you. Go to the restroom, and you have nice marble countertops, nice spacious bathroom. You got your tub and shower. It's just a very nice bathroom. Got a full-length mirror. Your bed. My shoes are squeaking because I'm still wet. I have a very important tip for you in just a minute. The couch is dated. It's clean, but it looks, like it's dated. So is the chair and ottoman. This is a nice place to relax. Plenty of drawers. There's your mini fridge. I got some amenities here, champagne and strawberries. I like these shelves, full-length shelves. And you got your safe over here. You get some more shelvings up here. This is a connecting room. So if you have a party of 4, you have 2 rooms connecting, you can keep that room door open or just walk in between the 2. And this is where you have your little coffee maker. It brews hot coffee and tea. And a lot of times, I don't even use it, so I usually just put it on the ground, and I can use that to maybe put my vitamins or something on there. So you have double windows, you have your sliders, and then another window. And it's a pretty nice balcony. It's the full length or the full width of the room. And we're at Port Canaveral, so you can see a little bistro table. We're at Terminal 5. So it's a nice balcony. And it has a little table here, so if you have room service, you can sit here and put room service there. You can put some more stuff there. You could put some more stuff there. You can enjoy it some out here. It's a good room for room service. There's a charge for room service for dinner, hot breakfast, and dinner and lunch. Room service charge. There is no charge for continental breakfast. So here's my tip. Today is embarkation day, and I advise you bring a carry-on, such as a backpack, with a change of clothes. You know why? Because if you go in the water, if you go in the pool or the flow rider or the slides, and your luggage is not here yet, when you go back to your room and your luggage is not here, you have wet clothes. So you will have to drip dry and go out in the sun and walk around, or stay in your room naked. So word to the wise, always bring a change of clothes in your backpack. And silly me didn't do it because I thought I'd be surfing till probably 3. And by certainly 3, they would have the luggage back. But guess what? My luggage is not here yet. So I guess I'm gonna walk around and dry off out in the sun, in which there's not much sun, so I don't know. So there is Junior Suite 9238 on Mariner of the Seas. I hope you liked it. Give it a thumbs up. And subscribe for more coming from another Royal Caribbean cruise ship near you. Thank you. Peace out.